Word meanings. Word meaning synonym. Swelling, rising or increasing, growing embankment, wall built to stop water, barrier, wails, loud cries, sobs, huddled, gathered, closely crowded, livestock, farm animals, cattle, rafts, floating platforms, floats. Fleet, group of boats, collection, marooned, trapped, stranded, left, helpless, stuck, knack, special skill, talent, rocking, moving, side to side, swaying, capsized, turned over in water, overturned, mound, small, raised area, hillock, ailment, illness, disease, gleaming, shining, brightly sparkling. 1a. Why did the people of Chitolia and the neighboring villages panic? Ans. The people of Chitolia and the neighboring villages panicked because the water of the Brahmaputra kept rising and the embankment at Chitolia village was breached. B. What happened when the embankment at Chitolia village was breached? Ans. When the embankment at Chitolia village was breached, huge waves of water entered the villages and flooded the area. Houses and livestock were swept away, and people took shelter on rooftops. C. What action did Khagain and his classmates take to rescue the villagers of Chitolia? Ans. Khagain and his classmates quickly prepared rafts made of banana trunks and used Khagain's father's boat to rescue the stranded villagers and take them to the school building on higher ground. D. How did Khagain and Dambaru rescue Dr. Hatibrua and Moni Bedu? Ans. Khagain and Dambaru went by boat to rescue Dr. Hatibrua and Moni Bedu from their flooded quarters. When the boat capsized in a whirlpool, Khagain swam to save Moni Bedu while the others managed the boat and rescued the doctor. E. Why did the people of the village call Khagain the Prince of Panadihin? Ans. The people called Khagain the Prince of Panadihin because he was brave, helpful, quick to understand dangerous situations, and always ready to help others. 2a. Who was Khagain? How old was he? Ans. Khagain was a brave young man from Borgang. He was 17 years old. B. It rained heavily all week. What was the result? Ans. As a result, the water of the Brahmaputra kept rising and severe floods occurred in the villages. C. In moments, Huge waves of water broke into the villages. What is this situation called? This situation is called a flood. D. Khagain. You have saved our lives, given us a new life. Who said this? Why did he say this? Dr. Hatibruah said this. He said this because Khagain had rescued him and his wife from the flood waters and saved their lives. 3a. The water rolled over some of the housetops, and the villagers cried for help from the rooftops. B. By the time the people of Chitolia were evacuated, Khagain and his friends were completely exhausted. C. Half an hour later, the boat reached the doctor's house and narrowly missed the veranda railing. D. The boat took a U-turn now and began to move swiftly with the current. E. Dambaru and the two other men somehow managed to catch hold of the capsized boat and used tubs to bail out the water.